Very good afternoon, my dear student. As I am discussing about the list under the introduction to Python. So in this particular list, there we will going to see that how the list is created and how can you get the address of the list. In my previous video, I have said you that there are the address in each of the item which you are saving in the list. And after when you save that particular thing in a list, you will going to find it that each of the item can be extracted in that particular manner. So here you see the particular thing. Section has been developed for you. I have developed this particular section. In this particular section, you see here that this is the list item. So what is the list item? This particular thing is the list item. Okay, list 3, 5 and 9. So list 3, 5 and 9, what is the value of it? What is the value of it? What I said that the each and every one has got the address. That means this one, this particular position is what? 0th position. Okay, this particular position is the 0th position. Then this position is what? This particular position is the first position. Okay, and this one, that means 9, where the 9 is, this one is which position? This one is second position. So here you can see that each of the item in this particular list has got a different address. So those things, what these all things is known as their address. So this is the first one. When I said print list 0, then what it will going to print? It will going to print this particular value. Okay, now when I say list print 1, then what it will going to print? It will going to print this particular value. When I say print list 2, then what it will going to print? It will going to print this particular value. Now I print negative index. Negative index means from the reverse the index will be. Okay, from reverse. Reverse means now if it is counting from this particular, from the front, if it is counting, then it will have 0, 1 and 2. Now if it is counting from the back, that means from here if it started counting, okay, then this position will be what? This is a -1. Okay, ST, first position. This will be what? This particular position, now this will be the second, -2ND, and this particular one, that means this particular position will be what? This particular position will be 3RD. So this is the thing what we find, that those the position, that means when I said list -1, -1 means what it will going to print? 9. -2 means what it will going to print? 5. And -3 means what it will going to print? It will going to print the value of 3. So this is what you can see, that each of this number what is stored in the list, they has got a different type of addresses. When we take from the beginning, it will have a different positional address, and when we take from the back, it will have a different other positional address. Suppose I have given you many boxes, and I said that this is the first box, this is the second box, this is the third box, and in this box you have this particular item. Okay, different items I have said you. But what you have done, according to your own arrangement, you have arranged it in your own way. So this is what you can see, this is what you can find, how the particular thing is been arranged. That means I have arranged in my own way, you have arranged in your own way, and you have given them the address. So this is what the particular arrangement is. See, another, I have brought another program I have done for you in here. where you can see that I have used the different type of values. What are the values I have used? One, I have used the, this is what? Yes, character values, character fields. Those are the character fields, character values, and these are the numbers. So when I have used them, this is list 1, this is the list 2. In list 2, I have given only the numbers. So when I say that list 0, list 1 in the 0th position, what to print? This particular value will print. This is the 0th position. Okay, so if this is a 0th position, then what will be this position? Then what will be this positional value? Then when this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is third position. Okay, this is the third position value that can be seen here. Similarly, in this case also, if I take from the back, then this is -1, this is -2, this one is -3, this one is -4. Okay, so here you see list 2 1 colon 5 1 colon 5, list 2 from 1 colon 5 means not from this 1 to 5, 1 colon 5 means from 1st position till to the 5th position. So 1 position is which one? 1 position is this is the first position. So this position is what? The first position. Okay, this position is your first position. And then which is the 5th position? 5th position is up to the 5th position. That means when you say 5th, that means before of the 5th it will going to do. That means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4th, this is the 5th position. This particular position, this one 6 is occupying the position is what? 6 occupies the position is 5th position. Okay, this is the 5th position. Now when you say up to 5th means this is one thing you have to keep in mind, that before the 5th position the values what are there it will going to print. That means your starting value will be that from where you say positional address will be same. First, that means it will start from first, and 5th means before the 5th, that means till to the 4th it will going to print the value. So this has been printed in this way. Now another program that I have developed for you, this particular program you can see that here same way I have taken the list 1 and list 2. So in the previous explanation you have seen it, when I have used the alphabets, combination of the alphabets, that means it can be words, it can be a sentence, whatever it is, that is coming in a double inverted comma. Here I have given it in a single inverted comma. That means it is wrong? No, it is not wrong. Any character value, any pattern of character value can be given either within a single inverted comma or double inverted comma. Now what I have printed, you see this, first I want to print only the list 1. Second, what I said, list 1 0. 0 means what? Not to print 0. 0 means 0th position. Then this one is what? List 1 1 colon 3. That means from the first position before to the third position. That means if it is a 0th position, this is a 0th position, this is the first position. Okay, this is the second position, this is the third position. That means how many value it will going to print? It will going to print only these two values. Okay, next what is there? Next I have said list 1 1. That means it will going to print only the first value. Next what I said, that print list 2 into 3. That means all the value will be multiplied with 3. Here, then what I have done, I have concatenated the list. Concatenated means I have joined the list. List 1 and list 2 I have joined. Now see what is the output it is showing to you. See the output. As I have said to you, what the thing is being shown to you. First, I have printed all the values. So all the values printed. Then what? 0th position. So 0th position is printed. Next what I said, first to third. Third means this position. That means before of the third position till to the second position. Then first and second position, two values printed. isn't it? Then I said first position value to be printed, so first position value is printed. Okay, then I say what, that list will going to come how many times, 3 times, into 3. So into 3 means what, this is the 3 times the thing is coming. You see, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third time. Okay, multiplied for the 3 times, that means value will be multiplied for the 3 times here, means that those the value what are there, that will come thrice. So this is taken as one, because I have said you earlier also that when we are doing a list, it will be considered as one particular set. Okay, so 3 times they has came. And next what we have said, that we are concatenating the value, that means see the first thing, then the second list. So both the lists are concatenated, and after concatenating the both the list, what we find it, the list are being what, printed. Next I am coming to the next program. See the next program. Here what we find, that I have used a particular list. For what purpose? You see it, that y, for y in range 200, that means what is the highest limit has been given, 200. For y in range 200, that means I have called also one thing. Have you noticed it? I have called here one thing, that is a for loop. Okay, for loop means this, but there I have shown you when I have used them in my, the previous discussions. I have shown you that how we are doing the for loop. Okay, so for loop also been added, and what I have introduced here, you see very nicely, one if loop, another if loop, another if loop. That means 3 if conditions has been implemented here. So what to do? If y modulus 2 means, that means if we divide that, what is the value will be there in y, if it is divided by 2 and the reminders comes 0, this modulus means remainder, and slash means the quotient portion, okay, equals to 0. If y modulus 5 equals to 0, if y modulus 3 equals to 0, that means in if all the cases the reminders come 0, then it will going to do the work. Okay, so till how much, what is the range, the question can come. The range is what I said, y in range 200, that means y will start from the 0th position and it will go till to the 200th position. So let's see what the outcome will be available for it. Okay, see here. Okay, so this is the outcome what you can find. This is the outcome what you can see from this particular range. That means telling those condition, telling the condition of the loop that has been given. Based on the condition, it has taken the value. I said 0th position. See, it has started with a 0. If anything is divided, if you take a number 12 and 0, or 10 and 0, 20 or 0, 100 and 0, that means what will be the result will be 0, isn't it? So this is the particular thing what you can find that can be done and that can be utilized. Okay, similarly the values has been calculated and it has been found which are telling, which are fulfilling the condition, and after fulfilling the condition, those the values are printed here. Okay, so this is how you can do the particular program using the list. Those are the very simple program that I have shown you. I have shown you how to take the place value. More the discussion we will do in my more upcoming videos, isn't it? So thank you students. I am ending my session here. Thank you.